Hey YouTube, I'm going to be showing you how to do what is called sexy move. And what you do is right, up, right inverted, up inverted, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, right, up, right inverted, up inverted. And you keep repeating this about 6 times, and it will come back to this. And the trick to get faster at it is to have your fingers like this, these ones like this, and this one here. So you turn this here, you use this finger to push this, you bring this down with those, and then with this finger you push this back. And you keep doing that until eventually it's here. Now, I'm not very fast at it because my 3x3 sucks. Listen to that. Just listen to that. It's horrible. It's a store-bought Rubik's brand 3x3. So yeah, that will be it for this video. And yeah, see ya YouTube.